3,000 packages that are going to be packed, and there's a few hundred more that are going to be distributed. All food for the needy in the Tel Aviv area.
My name is Einava Aaroni-Yonas, and I'm the Managing Director of Kodak Israel. I'm delighted to be here today with 30 employees of Kodak Israel to support Jaffa institution. And we're here in the garage here in Tel Aviv, preparing food in containers to distribute them to people who need it and who are less lucky in life for Passover.
From Boston, Massachusetts. I'm an Olah Hadashah here in Israel, and I came today to help put together boxes of food to share for Pesach. And there's a lot of good energy here and a lot of people, and everyone seems really excited to be giving back to the community here.
שמי אילן קומן, אנחנו מעיריית תל אביב, מאגף משאבי חינוך.
שלום, שמי מימוני יעקב. תמנו כל האגף לעזור למשפחות נזקקות. כל אחד הגיע עם הרכב הפרטי שלו, עם עוד אדם נוסף לעזרה.
אנחנו עושים את זה בשמחה גדולה.
My name is Alit Elkon. I work at Gornitsky, which is a law office here in Israel. We've just picked up food from the Jaffa Institute, and we are bringing it to people in need. The good thing about Good Deeds Day is that so many people do something good together, and it has such a power of doing good together that it means a lot.
I want to thank everyone today for all the hard work and package that we've created and packed today. There's tremendous support for everyone, and we'll support a lot of people.